Welcome back to another crypto video. Right. Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to look at some news on WhatsApp. We're also going to look at Fantom, fantastic project. And we're going to have a look at some news around that and also the price analysis for Fantom. If you are also new here, jump into the Discord channel. We are talking about, projects in general and fundamentals and things, kind of reasons as to, why we should invest in such projects. So it's free to join, hop in. You can find the Discord in the description. So take a look over there, guys. But yeah, let's jump in. So WhatsApp testing crypto payments with Novi Wallet for select users in the US. This is really, really bullish news for crypto as a whole. And it always happens, like you just get this bullish news during the kind of bearish, high fear market cycle. And this is what we're experiencing right now. So it's really good to see this. Meta-owned WhatsApp is testing crypto payments for a limited number of users in the US via company's Novi digital wallet. So we can see here, on the actual phone, crypto addresses and wallets will be integrated to the WhatsApp interface. I mean, this is super duper cool, really. I mean, imagine how efficient that's going to be to send money to someone or just anything like that. Is really, really cool to see this. And here is the tweet from Will Cathcart. New in US, use your Novi Digi wallet to send and receive money right within a WhatsApp chat. People use WA to coordinate sending money to loved ones, and now Novi will help them do that securely. Oh, so exciting. Yeah, that's really cool. But anyways, let's have a look at Fantom. So Fantom, of course, one of our favorite projects, and it has a really, really efficient ecosystem of very low prices in terms of network transactions. It's very scalable, and it's just a very, very good secure project in general. We can see here even Coinbase are introducing to a few of these networks that obviously have the benefits of very good gas fees, and it's quite funny that they put Ethereum at the top considering it's the worst. But yeah, you've got Fantom and you've got things like Avalanche as well. But today we are talking about the Fantom of crypto. So Fantom, rank 48, $1.44. We have a nice generous market cap of 3.6 billion, and the TVL is actually looking quite nice at 127 million as well. Over the 30 days, we have had a 44% correction, so we're now looking at these supply zones to potentially pick up more cryptocurrency. So basically, here is like the charts, guys. And you can see we kind of had this big swing high over here at the beginning of our journey with Fantom. And we took a correction down to that 0.618 level like we usually do. We had the distribution, which is this red kind of box. The supply zone is here. And I usually like to measure in days. So that's like a 14-day distribution. And we can see we had roughly 12 days on our supply. And we're getting it again, aren't we? We're getting another distribution. If we look at this distribution, it was 26-ish days, maybe a little bit less. Probably 21 days if we look at that swing high, swing low. So I would expect that potentially we'll get another 26, 20, 21, 26, 23, around the area of a supply range, which would bring us into the new year, which kind of makes sense. It could even take a bit longer. I wouldn't even be surprised if it was like 30 days of sort of in this lull, trading in this consolidation, reaccumulation, undervaluation zone due to the fact we have corrected now pretty hard, haven't we? If we take this moment here and we get this swing high, you can see that we've now come under the 0.786, which is starting to ring buying signals to me. It looks very scary. I mean, imagine if we bought up here in this euphoria. This was during distribution. Of course, we're producing the lower highs. As you can see, the highs were getting lower. So really, this is what we've got to face, and in my opinion, it makes sense if we trade sideways now and find support around the 110 or even the 134. Just find support in this, range. I'm going to get my gracious rectangle and just drag it over just like that, because it's just another accumulation zone that I can't resist. If Fantom falls in this box, I am buying it. It's as simple as that. And I don't even care if it then falls down 20 cents more, because I will just buy more. This is a fantastic project. So if we can follow this horizontal support, it's going to be great. But we just don't know how it's going to play out. I mean, that's absolutely fine. If we hop into the hourlies, we can see that, we had this kind of ascending triangle. We had the, resistance, 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 support, support, support. We fell out of that. And now we're kind of getting the convergence. You can see that tension really coiling up. There it is. So it's going to make another move. We've got swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high. We've just got to bust out. And should we, let's just measure the length. Let's also note that these wicks are super, super long, which means there's a lot of selling pressure, shall I say, guys. But, we break out this and we're back up to 156. We fall down. Oh, yes, we're into that lovely range. And I'm getting excited, aren't I? I actually want it to come down lower. I don't mean to be a bear, guys, but I just want the best entry opportunities. And it's looking very good in the sense of buying now and selling much later. So anyways, bit of a price prediction is out. Of course, I think we are going to break out this eventually. My super bullish target is, of course, all the way at 497. Just because I find a lot of coins, once they break the resistance and the prior all-time highs, they come up to these bullish targets of, 496 or so, depending on their golden Fibonacci extension. And I think that's what's going to happen here, which is really do. So 496, I'm going to keep that there as a long-term bull target, and more of the short-term targets, more pragmatic and relevant to today, even though today doesn't really matter when we're doing this for the long haul. I just think long opportunity back at 158 on the resistance, and perhaps we fall down not as low as this wick 115, but we come to around 120ish on the finding support once more, trade sideways for a bit of time, maybe even through to January, maybe things move quicker, we don't know, and then we break to the upside. So if you like the video, subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Bye for now.